Hello everyone, my name is Uzo Uchukwu. I'm here to show you guys a video on how to dismantle your phone, and not just using the phone, but you should know what the phone contains. Okay, now this is a 2019 model phone. It's actually a very good phone, but I'm going to be opening it today so that I will show you guys what the phone contains. Okay, now I'll start by opening the phone. Sorry. As we can see, this is how the phone looks like at the back. This is the battery. Let me just remove for you guys to see. This is the battery. Okay, I am going to open the phone. As you can see, it's a brand new phone. You can see it, a brand new phone. So I'm going to be opening the phone, and I'm going to be showing you guys all the parts of the phone. I'm going to name it for you so that you will know what the phone contains and what powers the phone. Okay, I'm going to start opening them now. Yeah, when you open it, just keep so that it won't get missing. Yeah, I'm going to be doing this fast so that I won't waste your time. It's quite very easy to do. Okay, I'm almost done. Make sure you follow everything, like you open it in order. Yeah, I'm almost there. I think this one is really hard. Okay, and the last screw, and we are good to go. Okay, I'm going to be opening the phone now. You open carefully so that you won't affect the screen of the phone. Open carefully, all around till it's free. Okay, I'm almost there. It's kind of really hard, but okay, I think we're done. Whoa, as you can see, this is what the phone looks like inside, and this is the screen of the phone. So I'm going to be showing you every single part of the phone. I'm going to be showing you what it does and how it works. Okay, now this is the speaker. As you can see here, this is the speaker. This is what produces the sound. Like, this is what makes you or makes the phone talk loud. And what you see here is what they call the panel. The panel is like the central processing unit of the phone. It does the main work of a phone. This is what empowers the phone to work efficiently. Without this, the phone is useless. So I'm going to be opening this for you guys to see. As you can see, this is the fingerprint. This is the back camera. This is how it looks like. Very small but powerful. As you can see again, this is the front camera. This is how it looks like. Oh, kind of really hard. I'm going to be removing the antenna. In case you don't know, this is what they call the antenna. Antenna. This is it. Small tool. Okay. Wow. And this is what they call the panel. This is how it looks like. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It's very small, but it does a lot of things. This is where the SIM tray is. This is where the camera, everything is linked to this small engine head. It does a lot of things to the phone. Without this, the phone is definitely useless. I assure you. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Yeah. Camera too. It has a lot of cameras, so you need to be careful. As you can see, the phone is empty. It's quite empty. I'm going to be putting everything back in order for you to see and for you to know how it works. So I'll start by putting the camera back. Okay. The antenna. You have to be very careful when you're doing this because the least thing you do can actually break. My name is Uzo Uchukwu. I'm here to show you guys a video on how to dismantle your phone, and not just using the phone, but you should know what the phone contains. Okay, now this is a 2019 model phone. It's actually a very good phone, but I'm going to be opening it today so that I will show you guys what the phone contains. Okay, now I'll start by opening the phone. Sorry. As we can see, this is how the phone looks like at the back. This is the battery. Let me just remove for you guys to see. This is the battery. Okay, I'm going to open the phone. As you can see, it's a brand new phone. You can see it. It's a brand new phone. So I'm going to be opening the phone and I'm going to be showing you guys all the parts of the phone. I'm going to name it for you so that you will know what the phone contains and what powers the phone. Okay, I'm going to start opening them now. Yeah. When you open it, just keep so that it won't get missing. Yeah. I'm going to be doing this fast so that I won't waste your time. It's quite very easy to do. make sure you follow everything, like you open it in order. Yeah, almost there. I think this one is really hard. Okay, this is the antenna. If you're putting this, you need to be very careful so that you don't break anything. Very, very careful. And you follow this carefully. You'll see a part there guiding on how to put it. So you follow it carefully. It's kind of small sharp, but it needs time too. So I'm getting there. Okay, as you can see, I'll carefully install my antenna so that you don't break anything around this area. So take your time to place it in, then you follow the path carefully. Follow everything carefully. Oh, it's kind of small. I'll just keep trying. Okay. Now we are going to be installing the panel. As you can see, you look at it very well, then you know, look at it very well. So this is what it looks like, then you're going to know how to place it. Yeah, I think it's this way. Yeah, correct. Kind of hard. At the same time, you need to be very careful so that you don't break anything. Yeah, I think it's in. Yeah, I think it's in. No, it's not. That is difficult. Remove this and clip it. Yeah. Okay, you're going to be installing the camera. Do that gently so you don't break anything. Okay. The fingerprints too. You need to be very, very careful when doing this. It's kind of small, but you need to take your time. and it's in. Clip it down. Yeah, that's it. Then we now install these two. I think this is what brings the screen and the panel together. This is what makes the screen work. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to be installing these two. So I'll do that carefully so that I don't break anything. Okay, it's in. I will clip. Okay, the camera, we're going to be installing this. Do it carefully so you don't break anything too. Okay, it's in. I think we are good to go. I'll install my antenna. Make sure I don't break anything. Be very, very careful when you're doing this. And it's in, okay. As you can see, everything is in. Everything is in place. Yeah. I'll just try to fit this into. This is taking so much time. Just hold on. Yeah, I think it's in. I'm going to install this first. This will cover the speaker and the antenna. Then I'm going to now place this on top. You need to be very, very careful when you're doing this. Okay. Carefully, 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 carefully. And that is it. Okay, we now place the battery. Okay.
Cut.
Now install the screws in order. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Almost there. Almost done. Okay, and the last screw. Okay, and that is it. I'm done. And just close it. So guys, I think you guys have learned a lot from what I just did. I'll be showing you guys on my next video on how to install or to replace a broken screen. So stay tuned and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.